Hey there, Pickle Peeps, and welcome to another episode of The Handmade How. I'm Melissa Pickle, your host today, so let's just not beat around the bush. Today we are talking about Facebook groups, and specifically how to set up your Facebook group for optimal awesomeness, right? So, if you're on Facebook, you probably have a Facebook business page that is crucial. So you're going to have a couple things on Facebook. You're going to have your personal account, you're going to have your business page because you need a personal account in order to make a business page, and then you're going to have a group. And you're going to say, Melissa, I don't want a group, it's more work, why do I need a group? You need a group because Facebook groups get way more reach than your page does, okay? Facebook suppresses business pages, I don't know why, but they see groups as engagement more so than selling platforms, and Facebook loves engagement, so therefore they love groups. Now, the one exception to this that I have noticed, and it's just been very strange, and I only noticed this because I manage one of them, but nonprofit pages get really good reach too. So I occasionally manage a nonprofit page, and honestly, we haven't posted in there in months. But I posted a video, and it's gone like mini viral. It's gotten 5,500 views plus. So like, that's really cool. But that's a nonprofit page. If you're here for your business does not get epic reach on Facebook, unfortunately. So instead, we're going to make a group, and let's get to it. So let's get started. Before I move right over to the computer screen, why don't you go ahead and smash that like button? Super helps me out. You can drop a comment below. Let me know what you're most excited about Facebook pages. Let me know what it is that you need to know to effectively run your Facebook page, because today is all the setup. Today is the blueprint stuff. So I'm walking you through every bit you need to know to get your Facebook page set up. But then in future videos, we can look at things like, I don't know, what to put on your Facebook page. That's kind of important, right? So let me know what kind of questions you have about Facebook pages. Drop those in the comments, and with that, to the computer! Okay, so we're just right here. I'm on my homepage in Facebook. Exciting. This is the new Facebook updates for September 2020. So if the screen looks strange, you might be in the old version. If you're watching this in the future, maybe I'll do a new one. So we're gonna create a Facebook group here, a private group. So what we're gonna do is come here to the groups one, which is the circle with the people in it. And then over on the left-hand side, you can see the option to create new group. And group name, so this one, Fun Times, is going to be the Handmade How, home of the Pickle Peeps. You can do groups for your business. You can do fun side groups that could also feed into your business. You can do general interest groups. Sometimes it's a good idea to play around with a bunch of different groups and then see which one kind of takes off that you can side feed your business into. Okay, so we have our name. Now I'm going to choose privacy, and I'm going to make this a private group. You can make yours public, so just anyone can join. But I really want it to require approval to get in here. And then beneath privacy is hide group. So visible or hidden. A private group that is visible is searchable. You definitely want it to be searchable. Hidden ones mean that only members can get in there, and you need to do like private invitations for members. So I mean, that can be very, very white glove service there. But it's a lot of work, and you're not going to be able to leverage any kind of search action. And if people are posting or whatnot, other people who are in your group, I don't know. But anyway, I am doing this as visible, not hidden. Okay, and then we can invite people, and we're just going to go ahead and click create. And hopefully it'll allow me to do this without a cover photo. Yes, ta-da! There we go. We now have a group. And I'll get to adding cover artwork afterwards. We can add a description, we can create a post, but really what I am looking for is settings. So since it's not on there, I'm going to click continue later for that stuff. Here we go. So now I'm going to go into see, continue setup. That's what we were just doing. Okay, continue later. So now I want to look at, here we go, membership questions. This is cool, all this admin panel over here. I haven't really played with that yet, so awesome. But membership questions. These are a really great idea. That way you're not just blindly allowing people into your group. Maybe you can get some like troubleshooting done ahead of time, or better yet, really you can get, you can start the interaction by having questions. So I am just gonna put in here, how did you find us? Or, nope. So I'm gonna do, here, do you have a handmade business? As a question box, and this is a written answer, so it's just yes. Or we can make it check boxes, we can do here. So we'll have an option for yes, add option no, or add option I'm building one. Because if you have like specific parameters, say you did planners, and you could put a question on here, do you use a planner? And if they answer no, you gotta wonder, why are they trying to get into your group? So here we go. Yes, no, I'm building one. Great. Save. And now I'm going to add, I want to add another question, which is going to be straight up here. Are you subscribed to our YouTube channel? Or say, did you know we have a YouTube channel? I can type. And this one can be a written answer. Say, if not, would you like to subscribe? And I will go back afterwards and find, there's a specialty way you can do like a subscribe link, and I'll try to put that in there. But there we go. So question 1, do you have a handmade business? Oh, let me put a question mark at the end of that. There we go. Save. And question 2, did you know we have a YouTube channel? If not, would you like to subscribe? Great. And then you can put in group rules, which are also a fantastic idea to have some set rules in here. So let's get started. So they have example rules, which I think pretty much everyone uses. So the first one is definitely going to be courteous, kind and courteous. And we're going to do no hate speech. Oh, let's see. Be kind and courteous, create. Oh, awesome. No hate speech, create. Look at how easy Facebook makes this. Respect everyone's privacy, create. And I am going to add in here no promotions or spam. Links are allowed. However, we promote sharing your creative process. You know what? I'm not going to put this one in here right now because I want all of you guys to share your creative process. We can definitely have promo days where if you're doing sales, you can list those out, and we can definitely shop and support each other. So how about we do, hang on, let's cancel that. Let's put it up again. No promotion or spam unless on designated days. Okay, how's that sound? We will have designated days to support and promote each other. Each other. With a heart. That's green because we're the pickle peeps, so it's got to be a green heart. And create. Okay, there we go. We have our group rules. How is that? We're looking all official now, right? So member requests here would be for new people coming in. You can set up automatic member approvals if you want. I don't do that right now, so I like to vet everyone who comes in. We did our membership questions. Pending posts would be stuff to review. We can do post topics if you want to do that. You can schedule posts for your group in here. This is awesome, nice and easy. So if we want to create a post, and we can say like, welcome to the home of the Pickle Peeps. And put my heart back in there. And so I'm doing this on desktop. Let's go ahead and see what kind of cute backdrops we can have. No, I don't want raindrops. Let's see, what do we got? Ooh, we can do, what do they got in green? Avocado. Ooh, what's that one look like? That's leaves. Let's see. Birds, cats, plants. I think I'm just going to put us in straight green. Welcome to the home of the Pickle Peeps. Okay. And I'm just going to do that as a post. Ta-da. Great. So we did that. We'll continue later on the bottom. Let's see if there's anything else that we want to do right away. Member reported content. That would be if other people did stuff for you. You can set up keyword alerts. If you have certain things that you want to watch for, either things that, you know, like you want to make sure that you don't miss out on, or if you have things that you don't allow in the group and you have keywords for that, you can always do that with keyword alerts. Group quality, I haven't done anything with. And let's see in settings. So here's where you can change all of your other stuff. You can put a location in. You can change it from a visible group to an invisible group. You can change it from private to public. Oop, web address. Let's see. Let's make this fun. So right now it's the groups and it gives all that blah, 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 blah code on there. So we can edit this. Groups slash, let's see, the Handmade how. Good. Home of the Pickle Peeps is too long to put in here, but we can put the Handmade how. Once you reach 5,000 members in a group, you can't change it. So it's always a good idea, like set it up now and you can change it a little bit later on. So save. Group color, if you want to set that up. Let's see. The color you choose may appear on buttons and other places when people visit the group. So of course we're gonna go with green. Green and save. And then badges, if you want to put those in, so we can set up, control which badges are available. So right now we just have founding members, because I don't have anybody else in here yet. If you want extra features, group type, oh, look at that, general, buy and sell, gaming, social learning, jobs, work, parenting. We're just going to keep it as general right now. And then let's see who can join the group, people and pages. I don't particularly like pages joining groups. I feel like that's a little wonky, so I'm just going to do people only. But that's me personally. If you guys think pages are fine, then go for it. And who can approve member requests? I'm a control freak, so only admins and moderators can save those. And nobody is pre-approved to join. If you have a list of like insiders that you want to make pre-approved, you could always put them in there. And then who can post anyone, approve all, and I'm not going to set it up to approve posts beforehand. If I see something bad, then we will just take it off. All right, right now I'm not linking a page to this. Eventually I will. And if you had recommended groups, we could put that in there. And if you had apps. So recommended groups, let's see here. I'm going to put in the besties. Recommend. Okay. So now we have a recommended group. All good. All good. There you go. We have now made it, and then it just has support for Education Center. So we are all done. Oh, that's all my different. Cool. So if you're in your groups and you click that down arrow, you will see all of the groups that you Well, it starts with the groups that you manage and then goes into other ones. Very, very neat. Oh, and okay, we're back to our main screen. So there we go. Welcome, Pickle Peeps, to our brand new Facebook group. And now hopefully you guys will be willing to set up groups. If you haven't set one up for your business yet, it's always a really good idea. Groups kind of become your key insiders, where they can talk to each other and they can fangirl or fanboy about you, your business, and the lifestyle your business supports, okay? That dream world, that dream atmosphere, that's what we're all gonna fangirl or fanboy over. Simple, right, Pickle Peep? That was simple. It does not take much to set up your Facebook group page, but it can be a true resource for your brand. I mean, you've just created the ultimate hangout zone for your best fans, where they can talk to each other, where you can talk directly to them, where you can get to know them more on a personable level instead of just a brand level. So it's really, really awesome. And I mean, just the groups are more fun than pages. Straight up saying it, groups are way more fun than pages. I think Facebook groups are more fun than Instagram. Like, of all the social medias, I like the groups the best. And I really hate social media. You weren't supposed to know that. You probably weren't supposed to know that I really hate social media, but it's true. And Facebook groups are the most awesome and least hateable of the social medias. So, that said, I will see you in the next one. Make sure that you comment below. Let me know what it is that you want to know about Facebook groups. Or tell me, Melissa, I already know about Facebook groups. I want to learn about XYZ instead. All right? I'm making a list. I'm making a list of all of your requests. So, get them in there. All right? I will see you in the next one, guys. Bye.